Okay, afternoon everyone. It's just past midday. Let's do the watch list. Okay, now let's go to the number one thing I'm watching, which is Euro Yen. Now, a disclaimer, these are longer term sort of trades, like longer than a day. Like on average, I hold a position for 6 days typically. Um, so look, all right, what I'll do, let's go to exactly what I do. I go to the weekly. I see where's the trend going. Okay, so it's going down. Now, some would say, Scott, it is overextended, but then we go to the monthly, and then we see, the real grand scheme of things. And look, what I like is when things are downtrending like this, I do treat it with a little bit of caution in regards to entering and things like that. But you have to tell yourself it's going to continue going down unless it shows clear signs that it's stopped, and it hasn't done that yet. Now, it's been wiki on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. So it's really been thinking about it here. Has been some rejections, and there hasn't been fantastic price action. I mean, this candle, let's zoom in. Got to keep this short. This candle here, was interesting, but it hasn't really. It's made lower lows after that candle, so that's something to worth pay attention to. So what I want to see on Monday is that price action continues to sort of ease up. Then Tuesday during the start of the London session, like the first 4-hour candle, it gives a candle like something like this. If this forms, that would be pretty sweet. That'd be sweet. And then we'd look to write it down. 116 would be nice, even lower, in fact. So that's what I'll be paying attention to. Let me zoom out here. So that is the main game plan for Euro Yen. Now, Pound Yen. We'll just do three. We'll do Pound Yen, then we'll do gold. Okay. All right, let's do the same. Let's go to the weekly. So it's had a nice little bullish candle print. Let's go to the monthly. Okay, so it is interesting, and it's at a point where it has rallied before. So that's a good thing, because we've got traders with conflicting views. We've got reversal traders, and then we've got trend traders coming in. So that's trading. Someone has to lose. So what I like to do is play probabilities. So we've seen a bit of a rally. It has sort of turned just slightly on the 4-hour. So again, I'll see what happens. It's not as clean as the Euro Yen in regards to its consolidation. Like normally I'd see it consolidate, then want push low. It didn't. And now it's sort of like in a little bit of no man's land. And it's, to me actually now, on the daily, it looks like it has rallied a little bit. So I'm going to pay close attention to this. Or it's a fake out. It's like a dead cat bounce. It's cold. There's a little bit of conviction there. So we'll see what happens Monday. No trade Monday. We gather information, and then we go from there. So let's have a look at gold. And to the individuals who reached out to me about the aggressive account and how it blew up, thank you. I appreciate your thoughts. Do not worry. I knew exactly what I was getting myself into. We were looking to double it, and it didn't work. It was a gamble. There was a strategy employed. If it offends people, I'm sorry. I'm not an aggressive trader. I didn't trade the account. So, yes, I understand. This is my conservative prop trading account. So, please don't be too concerned for me. I appreciate it. But that is not actually how I trade. So, it was just a bit of fun. Really, it was more for social media, to be fair. Because that gets views and gets likes. Because people just can't help themselves. And they love that sort of stuff. Because it's like shock and awe value. But I know trading isn't about that. So it was just a bit of fun, to be honest. And if the account doubled, it would have been cool. If it didn't, if it blew up, is it cool? Well, it's not cool, but it's not like I'm eating. I'm eating tonight. It's okay. All the bills are paid. Everything's all right. But if you're doing that and you're thinking, I have to do this, please do not do that. That's why I made the video, to make it very clear to everyone that that's not how you conduct yourself. You need to learn a robust strategy, high time frame. Then once you really master that, and I've absolutely not mastered high time frame, then you can go down a bit lower, but you still need careful risk management. You don't want to just be a degenerate gambler. So all right, gold. Let's have a look on the weekly first. Okay, so it's not bullish. To me, that's more bearish. It's certainly not neutral. Daily. Okay, how long have we been going for? All right, I'm gonna have to conclude this soon, guys. Again, it's the same as the euro yen. So the euro yen and gold are the main watches. Pound yen right now. I mean, there's some value there because it's rallied a little bit, and I'll pay attention to it. But it looks like it might actually be reversing. So that's what I'm going to say. So euro, yen, and gold are my main primary watches. On the back, the B play, if it does turn, is pound yen, but it's not my primary watch. Okay. Aussie Swiss I am short as well. It's in a little bit of a correction pattern. We'll see if it plays out. Okay, the daily. All right, it was already on the daily. So it's consolidated a little bit, holding over 1,500. We'll see what it wants to do Monday. Even if it goes down a little bit and we see it turn near 1,500, potential play. All right, and the stop will be around, let's see, actually, is it the 55? Look at them. Around here, I'll use the 5,500, the 55-day moving average to determine the stop at about 1,500 flat. Okay, so pretty tight. It'll be 1% at risk or so. And that's that, guys. We'll see what happens. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye for now. I'll upload this straight away.